Alrighty, so next up we have our kick throughs. If you've been around F45, they call them kick sits. Either or, it's the same thing. So what we're focusing on here is shooting one leg out at a time. If at all possible, keeping both hands on the ground. However, depending on thoracic mobility, you may need to raise one hand up, which is also completely fine. Of course, if you are having to raise that other hand off the ground, making sure that we're eventually not letting those hips slide so far back that we're going to be placing unnecessary strain on the shoulder joint itself. So first up, I'll do it from the front and then the side. So we want to take a tabletop position. So we're having roughly 90 degrees at the knees and the hands. From here, I'm going to go nice and slow to start with. We're shooting one leg out to the side. We come back around over to the other. Now you see that I've kept those hands on the ground. You can also lift up. That will give you a little bit more relief on the thoracic mobility. So if we start to speed that up, it'll be coming through. We're shooting in and out nice and quick. Again, from the side, tabletop position, staying off the ground. We're going to shoot through and then over to the other side. And if we need to lift the hands up, we can do so as well. So that's our kick through, guys, or kick sits, whatever you like to call them. Making sure, again, you're working in with your mobility.